In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a rule in Shopify using the Cart Lock app. This process allows you to restrict certain customers from purchasing items based on specific criteria, ensuring that your store operates smoothly and according to your desired policies. Let's dive straight into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This is the starting point for accessing various parts of your Shopify setup, including your apps. Next, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu that includes several options. Locate and click on Apps. This will take you to the section where you can manage your installed Shopify apps, a feature that allows you to customize and enhance your store's functionality. In the Apps section, you need to find the Cart Lock app. Once you locate it, click on Cart Lock. This app is your tool for setting specific rules and conditions for transactions, making it vital for customizing checkout experiences based on your store's requirements. Now, within the Cart Lock interface, look for and click on Add a New Rule. This button allows you to create a customized rule that will dictate who can and cannot proceed with purchases based on the conditions you set. Once you've initiated a new rule, you must then add a condition to specify how this rule is applied. Click on Add a New Condition. Conditions help define the exact criteria under which the rule should be enforced, giving you precise control over your store's transactions. Following this, you'll be presented with various types of conditions to choose from. Here, you should click on Customer Tags. This option is particularly useful if you want to create a rule for specific customer groups, such as those you wish to restrict based on previous activity or other characteristics. Now, within the Conditions settings, you will define which tags will trigger the rule. For this example, type in Blacklisted. This tag should be assigned to customers you want to restrict from making purchases, effectively preventing them from completing their transactions. After defining the tag, proceed to type in the desired error message. This message will appear to customers who attempt to check out and are restricted by the rule. The message should be clear and informative to let them know why their transaction cannot proceed. Finally, to complete the setup, click on Save. Saving your new rule ensures that it becomes active on your Shopify store. From this point on, any attempt to make a purchase by customers with the Blacklisted tag will trigger the error message, effectively stopping the transaction. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to set rules for specific customers in your Shopify store using the Cart Lock app. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating these rules can help maintain store integrity and customer trust. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!